So Zoleka finally sends divorce papers to Hlathi and Hlathi responds. I really need to say this. This week is going to be a very dramatic and entertaining week for us as Inimba viewers. So in this video, I want to share with you guys some of the plots that we can expect this week. So stay tuned if you're interested. Okay, let us start with the Monday episode 101, titled I Like You Too. So, Zoleka experiences a moment of vulnerability when she blurts out words she never expected to say to Lazarus, only to immediately regret her honestly. Her emotional walls slam back up when Mawetu dares to probe into her painful divorce situation. Meanwhile, Thumeka sides back into destructive old habits and Hlengiwe delivers devastating news. Her entire career is now hanging on the balance. Then the Tuesday episode 102, titled Could I Have This Kiss? So in this episode, a potential life-changing kiss leaves everyone questioning whether it's real or it's just dangerous fantasy. Sydney works frantically to prevent Hlengiwe's mounting problems from exploding into full-scale disaster. Likamba transforms what should be a peaceful family dinner into an explosive war zone, leaving hearts broken and family peace completely shattered. And that takes us to the Wednesday episode 103, and this episode is titled The Return Home. Terrified by the implications of their passionate kiss, Zoleka puts the brake on any romantic development with Lazarus. The manipulative Hlathi slithers his way back into the Mabandla family home like a snake, while Sydney faces the daunting task of managing Hlengiwe's apocalypse before it destroys everything. And that takes us to the Thursday episode 104, Divorce Notice. The divorce proceedings turn bloody and vicious when Hlathi is officially served with papers and vows brutal revenge against his ex-wife. Legal expert Titus discovers a crucial loophole in the marriage contract that could change everything. Zoleka fights tooth and nail to protect every cent of her hard-earned money, while Sydney's cover-up operation nearly destroyed Khusela completely. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us go to the Friday episode 105, Community of Property. Zoleka's carefully crafted master plan backfires spectacularly when Hlathi fights aggressively for everything in the divorce, including assets that were never rightfully his. Lwandle corners Sydney with undeniable evidence of his lies. Then, Linda, desperately searching for answers about her situation, finally backs down Titus, who carelessly drops her like a dead weight. So, ladies and gentlemen, that and more is what you can expect on Inimba this week. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So, thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And again, thank you so much for watching. Let's engage on the next video.